Hi, and welcome to the Avatars United developer channel. My name is Fred, and I'm one of the co-founders of Avatars United, and in this screencast I will show you how to create and install your first application on Avatars United. Before we start, you need to make sure you have the following three things: text editor such as TextMate to edit your Gadget XML, and number two, a hosting such as Amazon S3 or traditional web hosting for your Gadget XML, and number three, your Avatars United developer account, which you can sign up for on developer.avatarsunited.com. So the first step is to create our Gadget XML. Here I'm opening up my TextMate editor, putting in some basic information such as title and description that are needed in order for the application to run. After that, I'm putting in some sample text into the profile view and the canvas view of the gadget. To find out more about the gadget specification and other related articles, go to OpenSocial.org. Now that we have our Gadget XML file ready, we should upload it to our hosting. Here I'm using an application called Transmit to upload my file to Amazon S3. There is also an add-on called S3 Fox available for Firefox for those of you who prefer that. Now that the Gadget XML file is hosted, we're ready to create our application. Go to developer.avatarsunited.com, click the Create New Application, and then enter the Gadget URL and click Fetch. This will load up the Gadget metadata, which shows the title and description and the views that it supports. The next step is then to choose the URL for the application. So I'll enter hello-world, click check to see if it's available, which it is, and then I create my application by clicking the create button. Once the application is installed, you'll come to the details screen, which shows you your description and other important information such as API key and secrets. You can later go in and edit the settings and developers of the application. Let's say we're happy with the application, we'll submit it to directories so that others may install your application. Clicking on the application URL link will take you to the last step, which is installing the application. Clicking on the Install for Hector Zeus link will then open up the dialog that will show me some options for the installation. After that, I click on the Go to Application link, which will then take me to the canvas view of the application. Here you can see the canvas view of our application, showing the title and icon and the body from the content section, which we entered earlier in our Gadget XML. Once we're done with that, we can then click on the Back to Profile link. This will load up my profile page, and then scrolling down a bit, showing the profile view of the app. And that concludes our first screencast. I would like to thank you for your time and remind you that you can watch us on Twitter, check out the YouTube channel Avatars United Dev, as well as developer.avatarsunited.com for news and updates.